Ever wonder who's pulling the strings behind your favorite website's visibility on the internet? Today we'll unravel the mystery, meet the master puppeteer of the web, the search engine optimization or SEO consultant. They're the brains behind a website's performance in search engine rankings, ensuring your favorite sites are just a click away. Intrigued? Just imagine the power of controlling a website's visibility to appear or disappear at will. Stay tuned as we dive into the intriguing world of an SEO consultant. So what does an SEO consultant do exactly, you might ask? Well, they're like the conductors of a symphony, orchestrating a multitude of instruments to create a harmonious melody. But instead of violins and trumpets, they're managing keywords, algorithms, and web content. One of the main responsibilities of an SEO consultant is keyword research. They're like digital treasure hunters, sifting through the vast sands of the internet to find the golden keywords that would make a website stand out in search engine results. Another crucial part of their job is formulating an effective SEO strategy. This involves analyzing data, understanding search engine algorithms, and predicting future trends. It's a bit like being a digital weather forecaster, predicting the best times and ways to sail the web's vast ocean for optimal visibility. They also collaborate closely with content creators, ensuring that the created content is search engine friendly. They're a bit like the editors of a newspaper, refining the stories to make sure they hit the front page. An SEO consultant needs a particular set of skills and experiences. Proficiency in SEO tools is a must, as is a strong understanding of algorithms. They need to be excellent strategists, able to analyze data and spot trends. It's a role that requires both technical expertise and creative thinking. As you can see, an SEO consultant is a key player in the digital marketing world. They're the puppeteers pulling the strings behind the scenes, making sure that a website doesn't just exist on the internet but thrives there. It's not all smooth sailing in the SEO world. Let's look at the challenges and rewards. Picture this: you're an SEO consultant. You've got to stay updated with constant algorithm changes. Just when you think you've got it all figured out, the rules change and you're back at square one. And let's not forget about the stiff competition. There are countless SEO gurus out there, each claiming to have the secret sauce for ranking on the first page of Google. Now imagine this: you're working on a website's SEO and you start to see its ranking improve. There's a certain thrill in watching your strategies pay off, in seeing the invisible threads you've been weaving finally pull together to lift a website higher in search results. This is one of the many rewards of being an SEO consultant. And let's talk about the competitive salary. SEO consultants are in high demand, and this is reflected in the pay. Plus, the work schedule can be pretty flexible. Many SEO consultants work remotely, giving them the freedom to choose when and where they work. There's also the satisfaction of knowing your work has a direct impact on a company's success. You're not just improving a website's ranking, you're increasing its visibility, driving traffic, and ultimately boosting sales. Being an SEO consultant can be tough, but the rewards make it worth it. What's next after becoming an SEO consultant, you may ask? Well, the wonderful thing about the digital landscape is that it's ever evolving, providing a wealth of opportunities for those who dare to dive in. For instance, with the right amount of experience and a proven track record, an SEO consultant can transition into higher roles such as an SEO manager or even a digital marketing strategist. These positions not only offer a higher pay grade but also provide a platform to shape the digital presence of a firm or client. But don't think the path ends there. The skills you develop as an SEO consultant are transferable to a variety of other roles. Roles such as content marketer, where your understanding of keywords can help craft compelling narratives, or a social media manager, where SEO can elevate a brand's social presence. So you see, the SEO world is full of opportunities for those with the right skills and a hunger for success. Are you ready to pull the strings of the web? Picture yourself analyzing, reviewing, and implementing changes to websites so they are optimized for search engines. Do you have the knack for it? Can you see yourself as the silent puppeteer, pulling the digital strings to make websites dance to your tune? We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into intriguing jobs like this one. See you in our next video.